This is question number 6 of paper 2, 2022. Okay, you can read the question with carefully. I'm not wasting time to read the question, but I will start the implementation. This is the file that is provided by the exam. Okay, now I will write here, write your code. Okay, because I want to iterate it one by one. That's why I'm taking index equal to 0, and then index will be increment while I am reading the records in a loop. Okay, then I'm telling found by default, I'm telling found equal to false. By default I'm telling there is nothing found, that's why I'm putting false, and whenever it will found, then I will change it to be true. Second one, I have to need the past, whether you have passed the word or not. That's why I'm taking here false, and suggest equal to, by default I'm putting 0. Now I will write program here. Okay, first of all I will apply the loop. Okay, you can, because I have put index 0, I have already initialized. I will apply while loop. I'm telling while loop, the first condition is it will move until it will reach to the last element of the table or array. I will write while index less than of the length of this table. Okay, this is the list of length. Calculate the length of this table. Okay, you will write inside the function length. Okay, while it should be index less than length of word table, because length will give the one index more. Okay, that's why I want to be less than of this, because index will start from 0 and length they will start from 1. Okay, and while not found mean it will move until found will become true, and passed and not passed, it means it will also move until passed will become true, and not found and not passed. Okay, now I have set the condition of the loop. Now I'm checking here. I need to check that this is bracket. Okay, close. Then I'm checking that word, but I do not get the word. I will get no, enter the word. Okay, but word should be in form of uppercase. Before this I need to get the word. I'm getting word equal to input, enter the word, enter the word, enter the word, and it must be in uppercase. That's why I will get word should be word dot uppercase u double p uppercase. Okay, this is the built-in function. Now I'm checking that if this word table, control C, control V, of index, because index will start from 0 and it will be iterate. While iterating it will increase by 1. If word table of index equal to this word that you are going to be entered, if they will match, then what they will do, found will become true, found equal to true. Okay, once found will be true, then this while condition will not true. Okay, and then loop will stop. According to the given question, it should be stopped when the file, when the record, or when the word should be matched. Next, I'm checking that whether I have passed this word or not. I will write L if word table same, control C, control V, I'm writing greater than no. Okay, word table of index greater than 0. For here you are checking index is the row, but you are checking this value. Okay, this value that is on 0. This value is on 1. Okay, you will write here 0, and same way you can check that value if greater than word. Then what you will do? Past equal to past. What's the name? I have written the name past, P capital, past equal to true. Past will become true, and same time they will store that record, that index. Suggest will get the value from word table of that index. If I'm writing this way, they will get full index, and each index contains two values. Okay, mean at 0 location, at 1 location. Else what you should do? They will increase 1 in index, increment in index plus 1. Okay, now this is a loop that will iterate from 0 to last. How it will iterate from 0 to last? This is 0, this is 0, and this one is the last. Okay, by index equal to index plus 1. But in each iteration, in each time, it should check that word table index equal to word. If it will become word, found equal to true. In case of found equal to true, I have given condition in while not found, not passed, then it will execute. Okay, but when found, this condition will not true. Passed equal to true, this condition also not true. Okay, once low will finish, then I have to show the answer, whether what happened, whether it is found, whether it's passed, or whether did not, whether you are reached at the last point, last index. Now I'm writing if found equal to true. Print word has worth of, okay, word table, control C, control V, and 1. Okay, and else in case of past, print, you will write word has not found. Okay, but you have passed, you will show print. Better you can write word outside double quotation, because otherwise it will shows word itself. Okay, I want to see that word. And second one is, because you have stored in suggest of 0 has worth suggest of, double quotation should be closed, then suggest of 1, suggest of 1. Okay, and next one is, okay, when they will show, when if when past equal to true, when found equal to true, display this message. If past equal to true, display this one. Else mean they will show when your index is reached at the last. Okay, you will display same message, control C, control V, and now I will apply change. Okay, now what you will do here, your suggest should be like this one. You can copy paste, control C, control V, and now in this case it will not display the index, but it should be display the length of word table, control C, length of word table. Okay, and then -1, because as you know that length table is one more as compared to the index. -1, -1. Okay, length they will calculate this. Okay, now I want to run this, and when I will enter suppose by, Okay, I'm going to run this program. I'm writing by. By has worth of 7. It means it match. Okay, by has worth, where it is there, has worth of this. Giving a space. I'm writing cy, suppose cy. They are not displaying me any message. Okay, I want to know that why these are not showing me this message. I found that here I have written with capital P and here I have written with small p. Okay, and I will make it capital P. Okay, now I'm going to run it again. The word cy has not found, and D has word 3. Their suggest wording is DA. Okay, and if I will run it, when it will reach to the last, I'm writing ZZ. Double Z, they're giving me error. They are telling that unspotted operand for int, list, and integer. Okay, I will check it. I did the mistake. First, I will need to calculate the length, then -1. Okay, run. The word ZZ has not found. Okay, again, I'm going to run this. ZZ, they are showing ZZ has not found. Z has a worth of 11.